Look at you making your way through all of these onboarding tasks. All right, in this video, we're going to go over integrations with field service management software like Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan. So we are going to head over to our settings tab. And under our settings tab, you'll see that the last tab here is integrations, and we're going to click that. And under integrations, we're going to see a field that says connect field service management software and connect and drop down. So you're going to click on connect now and select which field service management software that you would like to connect. There are additional instructions in your onboarding task that you'll see above, but really quickly to give you a high-level overview of what's going to happen for each, I'll explain. So if you click on ServiceTitan and hit next, it's first going to ask you for your tenant ID. And then when you go over to ServiceTitan under apps, it's going to recognize Ply as an app, and you're going to copy and paste that tenant ID. And then you're going to confirm it, then grab the secret key and paste that in as well. When you do that, we're going to grab your jobs, your catalog from your price book and inventory. And this is going to prompt you, if you have users in Apply, to then select them and then select their permissions if you'd like to invite them to Apply. We are then going to have a bi-directional sync setup once you go live. So please note that for Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan, we do not turn on the bi-directional automated sync until you are ready to go live and your catalog is situated, because we don't want to mess anything up. So let's go over to Housecall Pro. If you're a Housecall Pro user, it's actually a little bit easier. So you are going to go into your Housecall Pro account and go to API. You're going to make a new API key for Ply, come back to Ply, put that into this field here and click. There's also an additional link here that will provide instructions on where to find that. Same thing applies when you go to submit. We are going to grab your invoices, active jobs, end users, and all of the information in your price book and put that in its respected spots. You are then going to continue onboarding, and when we are ready to go live, one of the last things we're going to do is turn on your auto sync, which will then sync your catalog and any other information with Housecall Pro. Let us know if you have questions here. This is a tricky one.